What's up guys, it's Drew and we're back with another video. Today we're going over the drop list, the North Face Metallic Supreme collaboration. So far it's looking pretty sick. Some of the things I'm going to go after right off the bat. First thing I'm going to go after the parka, definitely in silver, and then if that doesn't work out, or even if it does, I'm going to go for the black hoodie. That metallic logo looking pretty cool. Probably gonna pass on those shoulder bags, backpacks, pretty much everything else. And then for like a personal wear, I'm kind of feeling the shadow stripe LS top in white. That's actually really sick. And for the t-shirts, I'm not really feeling that. I kind of like the hoodies better. Plus it's just the season for hoodie. Well, actually no, it's kind of coming up for some t-shirt weather, but I don't know, I like hoodies better, so yeah, but I'm definitely gonna sell that parka. It's gonna have some crazy resale, and you know, that's why I only set up that one keyword just for the parkas, because I need that just to get some resale money on my PayPal. And then just for personals, I'll definitely just go with the shadow stripes. Alright, that's been it, and hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, also for tomorrow, I'm going to do a live cop on Force Cop Mobile, so stay tuned for that at around 12, maybe actually, no, more towards the end of the day tomorrow it'll be posted. Alright, see ya.